The unique hybrid badging shows the world that smart choices come in smart-looking packages. The 2010 Honda Civic Hybrid. The Honda Hybrid Technology Integrated Motor Assist IMA system consists of a super-efficient 1.3-liter 8-valve iVTEC 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a lightweight, high-output electric motor, which adds extra power when needed. Driving a vehicle that reduces your impact on the planet can still be fun. Honda's USB audio interface makes it easy to rock out while you ride. Complete the look with a 3-spoke steering wheel. The Civic Hybrid, with available Honda Satellite Link navigation system with voice recognition, also offers Bluetooth hands-free link. The Civic Hybrid helps protect you and your precious passengers with leading-edge safety technologies such as the Advanced Compatibility Engineering Body Structure, Vehicle Stability Assist, and multiple airbags. The ingeniously fuel-efficient 2010 Civic Hybrid is the picture of performance. At Mile 1 Hall Honda Elizabeth City, shop the largest selection and the lowest prices on the lot or on the web. Mile 1 Hall Honda Elizabeth City at the Virginia-North Carolina state line and Highway 168. Hall Automotive. More cars, great people.